Hello, this is Greg with Automotive SmartPay. Would you like to learn how to eliminate credit card processing fees with our flat 3% surcharge rate? It's really cool. Let me show you how it works. Auto shops love it. These terminals are made by Deja Vu. They come with next morning funding and no contracts. This one's a mobile unit. You can take anywhere throughout your shop. This one is wired, sits behind your counter, and then this one is customer facing. It's a pin pad. Let me type in a transaction. Let's type in for $100. Then I'll tap OK. Hit sale. Customer facing, card and cash prices. Your customer can tap either card or cash. And if you desire, we can remove the tile that says cash and have a card price only with the surcharge. They can use their Apple Pay, Google Pay, Android Pay. It doesn't matter. It accepts them all. Next morning funding, no contracts, wipes away all your payment processing fees. Check out automotivesmartpay.com or give me a call or send me a text, 801-205-1955. You'll eliminate all your payment processing fees and enjoy next morning funding, free smart terminals, and no contracts. We'll talk soon.